Welcome back to Tag Body Art tutorial series. Today we're going to learn one of the most popular and favourite designs out there. It's a superhero Spider-Man. Step 1 to this design is understanding the eye shape. We are going to aim for 2 triangle shapes above each eye. For the more advanced painter, you can have the inside line curving slightly inwards towards the pointed tip of the triangle. Next, we're going to fill in these eye shapes using white paint and a filbert brush. You can choose to paint the entire area, including the eyelid, as I have done so in this video, or depending on the child's age, they might feel more comfortable just painting from the eyebrow up. We are now going to repeat that step on the other side. Remembering to reload your brush along the way with more paint if you feel it becomes dry. You will know when your paint is too dry, as it will become harder to drag along the skin and you will start to see cracks in the paint. Your brush should always feel smooth along the skin as it's dragged, with no cracks visible. This is the end of step 1, and this is what we're aiming for our Spider-Man eyes to look like. Step 2 to this design, we're going to fill in the spaces using red paint and a petal sponge. We're going to start with the forehead and then work around to either side of the eyes to the upper cheek. To use a petal sponge to apply paint to the face, you first need to wet it using a water spritzer. Once it has been lightly dampened, you can use a sweeping or swiping action to pick up the paint from the home palette onto the sponge. We are then going to use a dabbing action to apply the paint from the sponge onto the face. To get to smaller areas of the face, pinch your sponge using your fingers. We're then going to repeat this process on the other side, and you will see we are soon beginning to resemble a Spider-Man mask. To clean up your edges or make your design look a little bit neater, feel free to use a baby wipe wrapped around your index finger, as shown above. The next part to this design, we're going to use black paint and a round brush. We're going to start by outlining Spider-Man's eyes and then move on to the webbing. A round brush can be used for more delicate work and finer lines. Always ensure your white and red paint on the face is dry before doing the black line work. For a top tip, try using your pinky to anchor your hand to gain more control when doing finer line work. This will help to stop wobbles and make your lines look more smooth. It can also help to have your non-face painting hand resting on top of the child's head for extra support. Once the eyes have been outlined, we're going to move on to the webbing, beginning with 4 lines on either side of the eyes. It's important that these 4 lines all head in the same direction to the very outer edge of the eye. With the forehead, we're going to do 3 sharp, straight lines from the top, heading down towards the nose. For a child or beginner, just make these lines as straight as you can. For the more advanced painter, try adjusting the pressure of the brush on the skin as you drag that brush down. This will help to create a more realistic web look. We're now going to connect these lines to create the appearance of webbing. Our lines are not going to be straight, they're going to curve or dip downwards like the letter U. Across the forehead, we're going to do 3 rows. We then want to repeat this process on either side of the eyes, connecting the lines using small curved strokes. A face painting tip: to keep these lines delicate, web-like, and to stop them looking too thick or messy, just use the very tip of the round brush and keep your pressure light. That means don't push down too hard on your brush onto the skin. Using the same round brush and black paint, we're going to finish the design by putting dots of various sizes on the cheeks and down the bridge of the nose. To create larger dots, press harder on the skin. To create smaller dots, just do a very light tap. Remembering we're using the very tip of our round brush to create a dot. And that's our Spider-Man finished. We hope you had fun and we can't wait to see your creations.